Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use magic blooming polish. First, let's prepare your nails for this exciting technique. Begin by ensuring your nails are perfectly clean and dry. Any oils or residue can hinder the blooming effect. Next, apply a thin, even layer of your favorite gel base coat. Cure this layer completely under your LED or UV lamp according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually for 30 to 60 seconds. Now for the magic. Apply a very thin, even layer of the clear blooming gel polish over your cured base coat. This step is crucial. Do not cure this layer. Leave it wet. Immediately after applying the blooming polish, take your chosen gel polish colors and begin to place dots or lines onto the wet surface. The blooming polish will start to work its wonders instantly. With your wet blooming polish layer, use a dotting tool or a fine detail brush to create your desired patterns. You'll notice the colors gently spreading and blending, forming beautiful, organic designs like marble or floral patterns. Give the polish about 10 to 15 seconds to fully bloom and achieve its unique watercolor or smoke effect. This short waiting period is key to the transformation. After your design has bloomed to perfection, it's time to seal in your artistry. Cure the entire nail under your LED or UV lamp for 60 to 90 seconds, ensuring everything is fully hardened. Finally, apply a generous layer of your favorite gel top coat to add shine and protection. Cure the top coat for another 60 to 120 seconds. Now, your stunning, unique nail art is complete and ready to show off.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.